Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property here, and today we're previewing GIAVENO 1746. This is a top floor end unit condo that's being sold here with the golf membership included, along with all the furnishings and turnkey items that you'll see inside the home. Let's start by pointing out the storage unit on this one, because this is the largest storage unit of all the available condos that you're going to find as far as terraces are concerned. You've got a nice size storage unit. You've got this little hallway here, nice and private. And looking out front in the stairwell, you see the nice lake directly out front. And as well, this building sits pretty much directly across from the pool area there, so it's the quickest walk to the pool as well. Coming inside the unit, this is the Bellini floor plan. It's right about 1,200 square foot. As we come inside, on the right-hand side, you're going to see the master bedroom, furnished here with a king-size suite. Then you've got the his and her style closets. On the right is the larger of the two closets, more of the walk-in style closet there. And on the left here is more of a coat style closet. And then directly behind me is the master bath with the single sink, the standalone shower, and the commode. Now, coming back across, we'll have the guest bedroom and guest bath. So here's the guest bedroom here with what I believe to be a full-size bed. Then you've got the window for additional light. And you've got the bifold style closet. And this is all right off of the guest bath here with the single sink, the commode, and that's a combination tub and shower there. Now coming back out into the hallway area, you've got the laundry space here. Full-size washer and dryer, and additional storage above. Now this opens up nicely into the great room area. So the Bellini was designed with a dining room and eating kitchen and the great room design in place. Here these owners have taken what would have been a dining room area and have converted it into a sitting slash workstation type area. Also take note, this is a pull-out couch here, so you can sleep an additional few folks here during their stay. Now coming into the kitchen, you have a full appliance package, wood cabinets, granite countertops. And this all overlooks the great room area here. So really nice and open. Now you have the eating kitchen area right here with the four-top table. And all those pillows that you see there, those are for the exterior furniture on the lanai. Now again, this one is a turnkey unit. Pretty much comes with everything you see here, including all the nicks and knacks and little things. There's really not much to speak of as far as pots, pans, forks, spoons, knives. It's really just some items that were left over by the owner. Just a few pieces here and there. There's a little coffee pot. Down below, there's a little juicer in the back. Nothing really in the way of silverware. You do have some of the towels there and pot holders. And then under the sink here, you've got your typical supplies that you would need. Nothing here in this cabinet, and nothing there. Now for the great room area, you've got this nice little sitting area. And this all overlooks your views, which are really nice here from Unit 1746. Being on the top floor here, that is the Rookery Bay Preserve that you see there. So none of those trees will ever be built on. And then directly to the right here, you got the rooftop, as well as the lake in the corner there. Those buildings that you see in the distance over there, those are the verandas over in the Venezia subdivision. The roof's poking out there. And now out here, you've got a couple of chairs and table, wastebasket, and a little sofa type seat with a ottoman. Just to point out some of the upgrades while we're here, This person has done a few things above and beyond what Lennar would have offered as a standard package. For one, they've repainted the unit. So the entire unit's been repainted. You can see the different color schemes. They've also added the wood trim and wainscoting along the walls. They've switched out the lighting and fan here. They've added a fan on the lanai. They've updated the lighting fixture here in what would have been the dining room as well. These fans here would have been what Lennar would have given you to begin with, these white ones, but they have added the window treatment in the guest bedroom here, as well as the same type of window treatment right here in the master. So those are the upgrades here in unit 1746. This is a tremendous unit, really nice location. If you're interested in this unit, you can reach us at all the contact information below. This is Roberto with Pinnacle Property, and we appreciate you watching.